The most beautiful waterfalls on our earth. Victoria, Zambia and Zimbabwe is one of the largest and most beautiful waterfalls in the world. It is 108 meters high and 1,800 meters wide. The waterfall is located on the Zambezi River and is one of the main attractions in Africa. Niagara Falls, USA and Canada, is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. Located on the border between the United States and Canada, it consists of three separate waterfalls, the American, Canadian and Fata Falls. Each is between 21 and 30 meters high. Iguazu, Brazil and Argentina, is a complex of 275 waterfalls on the border of Brazil and Argentina. Each of them has a height of 72 to 82 meters and a width of up to 2.7 kilometers. Iguazu are considered one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world, due to their unique shape and variety of colors. Are you a fan of waterfalls? If yes, write in the comments which one you like best.